Express Cargo Service, your trusted partner for domestic shipments across Pakistan. Are you looking for a reliable, affordable, and efficient way to send goods from Karachi to anywhere in Pakistan? Look no further. Express Cargo Service is here to meet all your shipping needs with unmatched speed and security. We are proud to announce that Express Cargo Service, in partnership with Daewoo Express, has launched a seamless domestic service for transporting all kinds of goods. Whether it's fragile items, bulk goods, or urgent deliveries, we ensure your parcels reach their destination safely and on time. With multiple service points across Karachi, including Naya Nazmabad, Saki Hassan, Nagan Charanji, Upmore, North Karachi Industrial Area, and the commercial blocks of North Karachi, we have made it easier than ever to send goods without hassle. Our services are available for individuals, small businesses, and large corporations alike. No matter the size or weight of your shipment, we cater to all your logistical needs. Our dedication to customer satisfaction drives us to provide high-quality service at every step. Whether it's a last-minute shipment or a scheduled delivery, we guarantee that your goods will be handled with professionalism. We understand the importance of timely delivery, especially in today's fast-paced world. With Express Cargo Service, you don't just send goods, you send peace of mind. From Karachi to anywhere in Pakistan, we are your go-to partner for all shipping needs. Contact us today to learn more or schedule a pickup. Trust Express Cargo Service to make your deliveries smoother, faster, and more affordable than ever. Call Mr. Fahim 0311-083637. Call Mr. Ishtiaq 031177-1151.